Right now, while most people are watching AI from the sidelines, a small group of smart entrepreneurs are already using AI to create multiple streams of income without coding, without technical skills, and without huge startup costs. And the best part, you can join them starting today with one simple tool called Ai360studio. Let's be honest, AI is everywhere. Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini, AutoGPT, and so many others. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Knowing AI exists is not enough. The people making serious money with AI aren't just using AI, they're monetizing it. And that's exactly where most people get stuck. Where do I start? What business can I build? Do I need to learn coding? How do I get customers? That's why we created Ai360studio, your all-in-one AI business machine. Inside Ai360studio, you instantly unlock 60+ ready-to-go AI-powered business tools, full step-by-step training, done-for-you templates, private AI business community. This is not some shiny software tool you never use. This is a fully functional AI business platform designed to help you start generating income fast. Let me show you just a few of the income streams you can build inside Ai360studio. Start an AI-powered content agency. Sell blogs, emails, ad copy. Create faceless YouTube and TikTok videos with Video Genius. Build full sales funnels for businesses in minutes. Launch your own SaaS apps, no coding required. Sell AI-powered design, logos, graphics, create and sell online courses and ebooks in hours. Offer AI consulting and coaching. Teach others how to monetize AI, and you can stack as many of these income streams as you want. Let me be brutally honest, AI is not your competition, it's your opportunity. AI is not taking jobs, it's replacing the people who don't learn how to use it. The people making the most money right now, they're not programmers, they're not tech geniuses, they're regular people who took action early. Right now, our members are building businesses in the USA, Nigeria, UK, Canada, South Africa, and all across the world. And the best part, most of them started with zero tech skills. We're giving a small group of action takers a rare chance to join our Founders Circle with a special monthly access deal. Click the button below to grab your spot at an incredibly low price and unlock 60+ powerful AI tools to start making money today. This offer won't be around for long and spots are limited. Set up your account now and begin your AI income journey with Ai360studio. Listen, you already see where the world is going. AI is not the future, it's already here. The only question is, will you watch others make money with AI, or will you finally claim your share? Click the button below to secure your Ai360studio license now and turn AI into income starting today. Start my AI business now with Ai360studio.com.